So we dropped the kids off at school this morning. First day of school. And one of the things I'm just doing for myself is doing a little seed harvesting in the garden. Just makes me feel good. It's also something useful because we'll have these at the Dallas Harvest Festival on September 14th. But harvesting these seeds is fun for me and not fun for the kids so much. Super sensory, in my opinion. Also super calming for myself personally. And these were the orangey red sunflowers. So I definitely want to have some of these seeds for next year. We went all in on the bright yellows this year. But yeah, this is super sensory for me. And on my first day at the house by myself, I get to do whatever the hell I want. So we'll harvest these and a few others. We'll have some for next year, but we'll also have, let's see, sunflowers, dill, and cilantro or coriander seeds, just for anyone to take with them at the Harvest Festival. Spread the love, right? Spread the love. Happy first day of school.